Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. In third part of post-harvest science and technology, today we shall discuss most important topic related to reasons of post-harvest losses of fruits and vegetables, along with its controlling measures. These post-harvest losses takes place in between the time interval of harvesting and processing or consumption. Out of these several reasons, lack of awareness is most important because without improving awareness of farmer and related people, we can never attain improved production and quality of final product. So in this regard, first we must know about some important pre-harvest techniques: pruning, irrigation, fertilizer, and pest control management properly. Where pruning is to remove undesired, unproductive, diseased, and infected portion of the plant just before their blooming time for maximum production and healthy fruit. In most plants, it takes place on the starting days of February, while in mangoes, it takes place during October. Then, in irrigation, being also very important because without timely irrigation, optimum production can never be attained with the required quality and quantity of produce. Most important timing of irrigation is starting season of a crop, flowering time, fruit setting, and fruit maturity just before harvesting. Excess in irrigation must have to avoid because by extra irrigation, attacking chances of disease may increase with reduction in production and quality of produce. Fertilizer has also an important role in increasing the production and quality of produce. Therefore, timing and season of fertilizer for fruiting plants is very important. Pest control including fungicides against diseases, weedicides against weeds, and insecticides against harmful insects of different fruits and vegetables along with various crops must have to arrange accordingly to the environmental factor and nature of pests before the plantation to timely apply for escaping from bigger loss in production and quality. In case of increasing awareness about post-harvest techniques, farmers and harvesters must have to be aware about harvesting at their best timings. This word of timing may be used in two ways. First, with reference to the maturity timing at which we must have to harvest fruits and vegetables on their specific sign of maturity. Secondly, harvesting time refer with the daytime means as early morning or late evening. Harvester must have to be harvest fruits and vegetable during early morning or late evening due to quite lower rate of evaporation, respiration and ripening process than noon time. Later on, we have to aware about harvesting techniques depend upon the nature of fruits and vegetables with minimum harvesting losses. After harvesting, respiration and ripening processes enhances more in some fruits and vegetables like of climacteric than others like of non-climacteric fruits. Therefore, as a harvesting handling techniques, the environmental temperature of fruits and vegetables must have to be reduced by dipping in cold water or applying cool air through fans in field area while stored in packing material under refrigeration condition. Most of the post-harvest losses in fruits and vegetables take place due to the removal of moisture at higher temperature with the release of more ethylene gas. As a result, wilting problem enhance in fruits and vegetables with the decrease in market and organoleptic values along with poor storage life. Therefore, it is need to reduce this type of spoilage by harvesting fruits and vegetables in early morning or late evening, along with minimizing the activity of responsible enzymes through placing them under shady areas or cold water in field areas after harvesting, while in market they have to be packed in suitable packing material followed by storing at refrigeration condition. Under biological condition, birds, insects, and rodents are involved. Mostly birds spoil food items in the area of field, while insects can spoil food at both areas in field as well as under storage condition. Whereas rodents mostly spoil food under storage condition but rare in field area. In field area, birds' activity can be controlled by placing bird cage or scarecrows, while insects can be controlled through predators at small scale, while on heavy attack, pesticide may be applied. Rodents attack can be reduced through constructing perfect storage environment or can place rodent cage along with rodent killing pills at different places. Mechanical problems like bruising, spoilage, bursting, or cutting of some special fruits are mainly due to the mishandling of fruits and vegetables after their harvesting during transportation and storage condition. These special fruits and vegetables have to be harvested carefully and packed in most sensitive packing material in single layer and transported under refrigeration condition and also be stored at cool places to avoid from their spoilage till before processing or consumption.